a 9518 summer furnace. It's one of those 3-story types of homes. I'm going to give it a C neighborhood rating. You have a lot of cars parked out here. The HOA does include the maintenance on this, I'm pretty sure. We do have experience and history on renting these out, so I feel comfortable about my ratings on the rent. We'll start off on the downstairs first. This carpet needs to be replaced, and they did such a crappy job painting or spot painting that I recommend that we belly up and get it painted properly. This is the downstairs laundry and the downstairs bath. These are actually very popular to have kind of a downstairs living room entertainment area. And the second floor is the main living quarters with your large living room, ceiling fan. Carpet needs to be replaced. It's got nice tile and beautiful granite countertops. Not cherry cabinets, maple cabinets. Nice little area here. You get to spy on your neighbors. And then upstairs is your sleeping quarters. Again, we have to redo the carpet. There's our bathroom. It's in good shape. Oh, we don't have to replace the carpet. Here we do. Might be able to cheat and just do carpet on some of the living areas. The bedrooms have good carpet. Wow, great views. There's a strip. And this bathroom is in excellent shape. So I'm going to give that property a C condition because we need to do some pretty substantial amount of carpet and paint.